IT administrators, welcome to the Nerve Center of Cyberprint, the future of 3D printing innovation. Our mission is clear: to revolutionize manufacturing by allowing customers to seamlessly upload their 3D models online. But with great innovation comes great risk. As we launch our new internet-facing platform, vulnerabilities have been identified in our internal network. Some systems remain outdated, running services that should have been decommissioned. And there's a wild card: the sudden departure of an IT team member, raising questions about their true allegiance. The situation is dire. If these vulnerabilities are exploited, our customers' designs and trust could be compromised. Your mission is safeguarding Cyberprint's network before the attackers strike. Your objectives are as follows: conduct a full security audit of the website and internal network. Identify and patch weaknesses in outdated systems. Investigate potential insider threats and ensure no backdoors remain. Secure customer data and protect company assets from intrusion. The clock is ticking. Failure is not an option. If you succeed, Cyberprint will achieve a flawless launch, setting a new standard for secure innovation. If you fail, the consequences could be catastrophic. The adversaries are already moving. Their goal is to disrupt operations, exfiltrate data, and sow chaos. They will test your every defense, exploit every oversight, and stop at nothing to breach your systems. Are you ready for the challenge? This is more than just a mission. This is the International Cybersecurity Defense Challenge, a proving ground for the brightest minds in the field. Teams from around the world are stepping into the arena to secure networks, outsmart adversaries, and showcase their cyber defense expertise. In this high-stakes environment, you'll face relentless attacks, dynamic challenges, and a ticking clock. But you won't face it alone. You'll rely on your skills, your teammates, and the strategies you prepared to outwit the competition. Are you ready to secure Cyberprint and claim your place as a cybersecurity leader? The world is watching. The future of cyber defense starts now.